Hi, I'm Millie. Welcome back to Live It Up with Mills. I do videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you're new here or if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please do hit on the bell icon below to be notified about all my future updates. Now, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. In today's video, I wanted to talk about how to style our good old black leggings in a variety of ways. Now, with the COVID restrictions back on, most of us are working out of home and spending most of our waking hours at home. So the tights is one of the usual winter kind of bottom wear which we put on. It's comfortable, it's easy to wear, and today I wanted to share you how it can be styled well. So this is the first look. It's actually very easy and simple to do. I have just put on these high-waisted black tights. These are the ribbed black tights from H&M. They are very flattering, and because of the ribbing they don't tend to show your bumps and all. So I quite love them. And with that I have paired this cropped black top. This also I think is from H&M. Yes, it's an old one. And to top that, and because it's still nice and wintry here, so I have just put on this flannel checkered shirt. Now I would prefer that this be styled with an oversized shirt, but the one which I had handy is not really an oversized one. I think the look would be much better if paired with an oversized shirt. I have not even cuffed it up or anything. I've just left it hanging loose, and I have paired it with my white trainers. Now this, of course, I have just put on a complete look and hence put on the trainers. You may choose, like if you're at home, you would put on slippers or anything. Also, depending on your comfort level, you may choose to show or not show skin, and hence your crop top may be replaced with a t-shirt if you please that. But this is actually a very simple way of dressing the black tights. And you could also replace this flannel checkered shirt with a denim shirt, and I think that would look as good. So that's for look one. Now the second look is where maybe you're working from home and suddenly there's an important meeting or a call, Zoom call that you need to attend. And for that you need to look a little more put together. It could also be an interview that is happening on video, and hence you would want to look your best. So for that, I think the blazer always gives you this clean, sharp look. So I'm still wearing my black tights. On top of that, I'm just wearing this slip top. You can wear any top. Even if you're wearing a sweater, you can top up a jacket on top of that sweater. It'll look as good. Just to show how that simple casual look of tights and top can get elevated to something very formal, all by just putting on a blazer. Now because your black tights is black and it's such a neutral basic color, you may also choose to wear maybe a checkered blazer or a checkered jacket or some striped jacket. I have chosen to wear the traditional black blazer over here. So this is look 2. Of course, like for the last look, I have completed this with my black pointy-toed pumps. If you're working from home, nobody's going to see your feet, so you can wear whatever you wish. So this is look 2. Now the third look is this one, and I think it's the easiest one to pull off, and one I'm sure that all of you would have tried at some point or the other. And this is basically pairing a sweater with your black tights. I have worn a normal length, loose-ish kind of a sweater, and I've just tucked it in slightly in the front just to give it a little more shape. You may choose to leave it hanging out, or you may choose to tuck it in, whatever you prefer. I've also scrunched up the sleeves a bit just to make it look a little more stylish and put together. And again, I'm wearing this with my white trainers over here because I just wanted to complete the look in case you wanted to go out grocery shopping or you wanted to catch up some friends over coffee at a nearby shop. This is a very easy and good look to do, and it just takes about no time at all. So this is probably the easiest one. And also this suits a lot of body types, so irrespective of your size and shape, this would come out well in almost any body type. Now this is the fourth look. It's again, I've just replaced that crop top with a mock neck full sleeve kind of a full length top. Actually, I've just folded it up to make it look like a crop top. I'm wearing my black leggings and I have topped it up with this long kind of a coat. This is, I think, from H&M, bought a long time back actually, and I'm again wearing my white sneakers. This is a very, very easy look, and again a look with which you can go out, grocery shopping, you can go out for a friend's get together. It's a very easy look to carry off, and I think it really comes out well because of the proportion play between the length of the jacket and the short length of the crop top. It really looks nice. Also, in case you are conscious about revealing your bums in a black tights and you are not too comfortable about that, a long jacket affords you the comfort of that entire area being covered, and hence you can feel a lot more comfortable. So this is look 4 and one which I really like. And this is the final look which I wanted to share. So if you're still one of those adventurous souls who's venturing out and attending parties and having a rocking life like we usually used to have prior to COVID, then this is how you can still wear your black leggings and look extremely put together and party ready. So all I have done over here is I've put on a crop top. This is a very strappy kind of a crop top, and I've topped it up with my leather jacket, and I've just put on some embellished kind of a belt around my middle just to kind of emphasize the waist. So this is again, of course, a look which could have been done with a pair of black denim or blue denim as well, but just for the comfort's sake, because black leggings is way more comfortable than any pair of jeans can be. So just for the sake of comfort, if you want to wear black leggings, you can do this look. And trust me, I think it not only does it look as good, in some aspects it does look better, since the way the leggings hugs your body, and also it keeps you warm. So this is my final look. I hope you liked the video and you enjoyed the looks. If you like my content, please do like, share and subscribe, and also do hit on the notification bell icon to be notified about all my future updates. Thank you so much. I'll see you next week with a fresh new video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Bye.